Welcome guys, Greenball back again with another reaction video. Today we're gonna check out Stormzy big 4-year boot. You see me? Knowing Stormzy, this is probably gonna be sick. You see me? To me, every Stormzy track I'm listen to always fire. So we're gonna jump in another one and see if it live up to expectation. You see me? Begin. Man, they got them pink here. Taps.
You're getting way too big for your boots. You're never too big for the boot. I got the big size toes on my feet. Your face ain't big for my boots.
Oh, hear that?
Man, know that I kick up to you. Then boy dare try to suck the truth. How dare you to suck the truth? Look, you're getting way too big for your boots. You're never too big for the boot. I got the big size toes on my feet. Your face ain't big for my boots.
Hear that?
Kick up to you. Man, know that I kick up to you. Then boy dare try to suck the truth. How dare you to suck the truth? When I come round there like a bad boy, do it. Want all the talking, go on and do it. Running through the party, bottle of Bacardi, rolls on my ear saying storm, don't do it. Devil on my shoulder, I don't lack. Hit him with a crowbar, I don't
Yo.
When I'm sober, I'm so gassy, right? But there's no car and no
Yeah.
Clown, stand down. Never had a Mac 10 or a Shay Pound. You were never bad then, you ain't bad now. Never had a Mac 10, little nigga back down. Wait, I saw bear kicks.
Oh, that girl? Yo, what's sweet? You know, it was that nigga in that blue. What's that girl?
Never had a Tom Ford or a Montclair. Man, them a calm when you see my don there. Fuck trees, tell them don't do it, don't dare. Don't care who you know from my block. You're not Al Capone, you get boxed. They can take my car and my creps. I still do the road in my socks. Like who's gonna stop me? You, him, weed and a cigarette, blue slims. Don't be an idiot, move smart. I
Yo,
ain't killing it.
dog, Stormzy. Yo, Stormzy kill it, bro. Stormzy kill it.
Ain't ready for my new stuff. You're a prick by yourself, go and group up. And when Crep went states for the BTs, I was covering Crep like a boot cut. If mad, it's a family thing, straight family thing.
Family thing,
Had a painting called Amy telling me to come round hers on a Valerie thing. Academy thing, coming like art in the gallery thing. Dumb boy there wanna chat about bars, wanna chat about crud, but you're getting way too big for your boots.
Way too big for your boots.
I got the big size toes on my feet. Your
Who's
face
there
ain't big
from
for
my
my
boots?
boots. Kick up to you. Man, know that I kick up to you. Then boy there try to suck the truth. How dare you to suck the truth? Look,
I know what the funny thing though?
I'm too hot.
The only female artist who I see kinda still like Stormzy is Lady Lashore. The way him rap, Lady Lashore kinda rap in that gimmicks kinda way. You see me? So
Drug money in my shoebox.
should I be the
I'm the man of
female
the
female
house,
version
my
of
show sold
him?
out like the brother from the Boondocks. Swan on my boombox. Still meat from the stew pot. Man, I'm go sick when my tune drops. Little man, that's a hooplo, not a hoopla. What? Pronounce it right, you prick. I go Maggie, I'm down to die for this. I don't care, bro, I'm down to pipe your chip.
Yo, man, they don't just pop your chick you off there.
Real G's gonna ride around to this. Man, I got no time to write at this. I never left my 9 to 5 for this waste man's in. I don't care what rave man's in. I came here to relax, but if it gets mad, make a young boy take man's things. Try to tell me I'm way too big to rebel. Nah, man, you're never too big to rebel. I was in the O2 singing my lungs out, rude, but you're never too big for Adele. Leave my girl, blow a kiss to my girl. Salute to my sister as well. Gotta keep trophies down at my mum's bit. Man, I'm getting way too big for myself. Man, I see bare MCs on the sideline, but I still got a couple bangs in the pipeline. Man, I got grown men at me bullshit. You're getting way too old for the timeline. You're getting way too old for it.
No man, yo, Stormzy, you still a kill it, bro.
Get out the booth, go home.
Still a kill it.
It's never too late to commit. It's like man love, put my name in the bar. Random flat, get a plane to Qatar. This year I learned how to take care of business. Next year I learn how to play the guitar. You're never too big for your boots. I got the big size toes on my feet. Your face ain't big for my boots. Kick up to you. Man, know that I kick up to you. Then boy there try to suck the truth. How dare you to suck the truth? Look, you're getting way too big for your boots. You're never too big for the boot. I got the big size toes on my feet. Your face ain't big for my boots. Kick up to you. Man, know that I kick up to you. Then boy there try to suck the truth.
My surrounded by be a white man to blow. Yo, white boy, your face are too big for my boat. That man I try to tell you like this. Oh, look like him punch my boy in the face. Oh, this is great. I like, alright guys, this is an innovation video too. Stormzy. Face not too big for my boots. Another lie, this song. Stormzy never let me down, bro, from day one. But I was Stormzy song I first from react to. I don't know if I wanted Dave. I'm thinking I one before that, but Stormzy never fail, bro. Honest to God. Stormzy crazy. Alright guys, that's the introduction video. Enough love. Peace.